20-year-old man shot dead at girlfriend's house in St. Anne. St. Mary cop dies after being found unresponsive at home. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police investigators in St. Anne have launched a manhunt for a gunman who shot and killed a man while he was reportedly visiting his girlfriend at her house in St. Anne's Bay on Wednesday. The deceased is 20-year-old Jardine Parkinson of Petersfield, St. Mary. Police reports are that about 8:15 p.m., Parkinson was sitting in a bedroom at his girlfriend's house when he was pounced upon by two men who had gained entry to the premises. One of the men pulled a firearm and opened fire at Parkinson, hitting him in the upper body. The men then fled the scene. The police were alerted and Parkinson was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police high command says it's saddened by the death of a police constable who was found unresponsive at his home in Rock River, St. Mary on Thursday. The deceased is Constable Shaquille Ellis, who was assigned to detention and courts in St. Mary Police Division. The announcement of Ellis' passing was made by the Jamaica Constabulary Force on its social media platforms. Reports are that about 8:20 a.m., Ellis was found unresponsive and was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead.